If you're looking to find another great tool in your assets, here are my top 3 underrated tools that most web developers and designers will love. Let's start with the first tool, Relume. I remembered when I started learning web development, the first thing I struggled with was layouts. You know the experience when you're first learning Flexbox and Grid, right? You try so hard not to end up building those ugly broken layouts, but somehow your first portfolio still looks like that. Yeah, we all been there. And now that we are in the AI era, one tool I discovered that completely changed this is Relume. This is basically your starting point for every website. Here's what I mean. When you or your client wants a quick idea of how a website will look, we usually go for wireframes. Wireframes are basically low-fidelity layouts, no colors, no final design, just structure. They help you explain the flow of the website before you actually design or code anything. But with Relume, you can generate all of that instantly. For example, let's say we want a SaaS product landing page. Relume will generate a full sitemap, complete wireframes, and structure sections across all pages. So now you don't have to worry about running out of layout ideas or staring at a blank canvas. And if you want to add more sections, you can just browse and insert common proven layouts instantly. This is where Relume becomes powerful. It removes the hardest part of building, which is starting. And it doesn't stop there. You can set up your style guide directly inside Relume so you can match your client's branding, colors, typography, and overall feel. That means you're not just generating random layouts, you're generating brand-aligned websites. Then, you can refine everything inside the Design tab, which basically feels like a built-in Figma or Webflow environment. And speaking of that, you can also export your work directly to Figma, Webflow, HTML, and even React, which is honestly insane for workflow speed. For example, you can directly export this into Webflow. You just install a few plugins, let Relume do the work, and it's done. Now, you can use your Webflow superpowers to polish it even more. And one of my favorite features is concepts. You can experiment with multiple design directions, different styles, different layouts, and quickly see what fits best for your client or project. So instead of guessing, you're validating ideas visually. Now next up is also related to design, and it's called Realtime Colors. This is made by Juxtapost, which I don't know if I pronounce it right, but honestly, she is the queen when it comes to website redesigns. If you haven't watched any of her videos, go watch them. It's worth it. Now, Realtime Colors is basically your design consistency engine. Because, let's be real, even if you have a good layout from Relume, your website can still look bad if your colors are off. This tool lets you generate full color systems in real time, not just random palettes, but actual usable systems like primary and secondary colors, background layers, text hierarchy, and accent combinations. And the best part, you'll see everything update instantly. So instead of guessing, you're making decisions visually. So for example, if you love this color palette, you can plug this right inside Relume. Now, instead of designing from scratch, I'm just refining something that already works. That's faster, that's cleaner, and honestly, it looks way more professional. Now finally, let's talk about something most developers ignore, making money, and more specifically, how hard it is to actually get paid, especially if you're a developer outside countries supported by Stripe. Because let's be real, if you're in places like India or other unsupported regions, you probably run into this problem. You build a great product, you have users ready to pay, but when it comes to setting up payments, you hit a wall. Stripe isn't available, or it requires a business entity in another country. So instead of focusing on your product, you're stuck figuring out legal structures, payment gateways, and workarounds. That's where Cream becomes really interesting. Cream is designed to simplify monetization, especially for developers who don't want to deal all of that complexity. It gives you a clean way to integrate payments, subscriptions, pricing models, and billing systems without having to build everything from scratch. But more importantly, it lowers the barrier. You don't need to spend weeks figuring out how to accept payments globally. You don't need to duct tape multiple services together. You'll just plug it into your product and start charging. A lot of talented developers get stuck in the build phase forever, not because they can code, but because they can't monetize easily. So they end up doing client works only, avoiding SaaS ideas, or never launching products at all. Cream helps remove that bottleneck. It lets you go from idea to product to payment ready without needing a complicated back-end billing system. And if you build your website in Webflow, like when you export from Relume into Webflow, you can even connect payment gateways like Cream later on, so you can start selling services, subscriptions, digital products, or anything else directly from your site. And this connects back to every tool we discussed in this video. Relume for layouts and wireframes, Realtime Colors for beautiful colors, and Cream.io for monetization. Because if you really look at it, these three tools aren't random. They actually represent the entire life cycle of building a modern website or product. So instead of thinking like, I need to build a website, start thinking like, I need a system that goes from idea to design to revenue. That's how modern web developers should be building in 2026. Not slower, not from scratch, but with leverage. Now here's the best part. Every tool we discuss is free, so make sure to check them out in the description down below. And let me know what you think about these tools in the comments. And if you have other tools you recommend, drop them there as well. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Well, that's it for now, Novas. Thank you for watching.